Hi guys, I'm Vandana Rana. I had cleared KVPY last year with an All India rank of 620. As your KVPY exam is scheduled for January 9th, you have about 1 month left for your preparation. This last 1 month is really crucial for your result. So I'd like to share with you how I had used this last 1 month that had helped me to clear KVPY. First of all, the most important thing would be to have a proper plan. That is, you should have a clear idea about which all topics you are going to cover, how much time you are going to give for each subject, how many mock tests are you planning to attend, and so on. Solving previous year questions is one of the best things that you can do. It will help you to become familiar with the question pattern. It will also give you an idea about which all are the most important topics. Thereby, you will be able to give more focus to those areas. And it will also teach you time management. So do as many previous year question papers as you can. A KVPY exam, the questions of KVPY exam can be a bit tough, but don't lose your confidence. Even if you are not able to solve all the questions on your own, don't skip them. Try to find its solution either by looking at the answer key or video solutions of previous year questions are also available in YouTube. You can watch them also. Also, you can either practice solving year-wise previous year questions or otherwise chapter-wise previous year questions are also available. Whichever method suits you, you can follow that. But do as many previous year questions as you can. It will be helpful not only for this KVPY exam. It will help you for other competitive exams like NEET and JEE as well. Many people had asked me how I was able to manage both KVPY and NEET preparation together. But what I have felt is that actually KVPY and NEET preparation complement each other. That is, since I was preparing for NEET, I had covered majority of the syllabus, and this helped me for my KVPY exam. And also since I was practicing previous year questions of KVPY, it helped in strengthening my basics, and this helped me for my NEET exam as well. So don't worry that preparing for KVPY will hamper your NEET or JEE preparation. In fact, preparing for KVPY will be really helpful for other competitive exams like NEET or JEE also. Also, work smartly. Since only 1 month is left, try to use your time wisely. Don't try to cover a lot of chapters at the surface level, but instead, which all chapters you are studying, try to learn those chapters at a much deeper level. For exams like KVPY, your understanding of concepts is more important than the number of chapters you cover. And for KVPY, majority of the questions come from certain specific topics. So make a list of these high weightage topics. You can get an idea about these high weightage topics either online or by going through the previous year question papers. So make a list of these chapters and try to give more focus to these high weightage topics. Also, since time is limited, don't start any new topics which you hadn't touched before. Rather than trying to learn trying to strengthen your weak areas, focus more on strengthening your strong areas and also building your concepts of these high weightage topics. Also keep in mind that for KVPY the cutoff is going to be around 50 to 55 marks. So plan accordingly. That means you don't have to cover the entire syllabus, but what all chapters you are studying, try to learn those chapters thoroughly. Also, to all the biology students, biology would be your strong area, so try to score maximum marks for biology. Spend more time to learn the high weightage topics of biology and practice a lot of previous year questions. For physics and chemistry, practice of previous year questions would be enough. And for the class 11 students, you have to attend all the 4 subjects. So since only 1 month is left, I think it would be if you are a PCB student, I think it would be better if you would strengthen your PCB rather than starting to learn maths now. Similarly, if you are a PCM student, I think it would be better if you would strengthen your PCM rather than starting biology now. But you have to. But if you have time, you can learn the high weightage topics of maths or biology. That's up to you. Also, practice as many mock tests as you can, and try to complete these mock tests within 3 hours itself. Few days before the KVPY exam, revise all the formulas. Also, you should have a clear idea about about the situations at which each formula is used. That is, you should have a clear idea about the application of the formulas. And if you have short notes, it would be good if you would revise them as well. On the day of the exam, try to remain focused. Sitting in front of the screen for 3 long hours can be tiring, but don't lose your patience. Read each question very carefully. They might try to trick you in some questions, so be careful. Some questions which appear to be difficult may be very easy. So don't get. They might have just twisted the question so as to scare you. So don't get scared. Even if the question appears tough, just believe that you will be able to solve it and try your best. Also, don't do any blind guesswork. Try to avoid negative marks as much as you can. To say that you are a KVPY scholar is indeed an honor, but more importantly, the confidence it gives you is really amazing. If you're someone preparing for any other competitive exam, the fact that you had cleared KVPY would indeed be a huge confidence booster for you. So it would be really amazing if you can clear KVPY. So work very hard, give your 100%. All the best.